Green, energy-saving, healthy, comfortable, and intelligent. All of the above are the keywords defining today's human habitat development. Gearea, as a pioneer in smart, high-precision indoor climate control technology, is reshaping industrial production environments with ultra-energy-saving, zero-carbon emission solutions, while meticulously crafting healthy, comfortable, and intelligent living spaces. Founded in 2006, with its headquarters in Changzhou, China, Gearea offers an extensive product portfolio covering SFDC Dream House System, Healthy Fresh Air System, Dual Cooling Source High Precision Clean Air Handling Unit, Air Source Heat Pump Unit, etc. Today, Gearea stands as a national high-tech enterprise encompassing theoretical research, product development, manufacturing, system implementation, and after-sales services. Equipped with a cluster of state-of-the-art laboratories, including a national health fresh air R&D and testing platform, a national accredited enthalpy difference laboratory, and a soundproofing laboratory, as well as being recognized as the National Healthy Fresh Air System R&D base and a Jiangsu postgraduate workstation. Gearea demonstrates its robust research and innovation capabilities. Gearea has garnered numerous prestigious awards, including the National Prize for Technological Inventions, the title of Potential Unicorn Enterprise, and recognition as a national special, new and high-quality enterprise. Gearea specializes in enabling ultra-energy efficient, zero-carbon industrial production environments, as well as fostering healthy, comfortable, and intelligent living spaces. Whether in industrial or residential applications, Gearea solutions demonstrate the depth and breadth for its expertise. Built upon a foundation of continuous investment in R&D infrastructure and resources, Gearea places even greater emphasis on the attraction and cultivation of top R&D talents. It is this group of exceptional R&D professionals that serves as the soulful backbone and driving force behind Gerea's industry-leading position. Gearea services cover a wide range of industries, including pharmaceuticals, semiconductor chip manufacturing, lithium battery production, hospitals and other facilities that require high-precision temperature and humidity control in clean environments. Additionally, Gearea caters to commercial and public spaces such as premium residential areas, private clubs, luxury hotels, and airports, where the pursuit of healthy, comfortable, and intelligent living environments is valued. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Gearea provided crucial assistance by installing its innovative germicidal and moisture-adjusting fresh air systems in the negative pressure wards of Putian Medical College Hospital's Direct Building and Chengdu Second Hospital's Longtan Branch. These systems effectively sanitize and regulate humidity, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for both patients and healthcare professionals. Now Gearea is leveraging its extensive experience and advanced technology to fully commit itself to designing and implementing high-quality living environments that are healthy, comfortable, energy efficient. Gerea's flagship product, the SFDC Dream House System, harnesses temperature and humidity-independent control technology fused with AI, IoT, and big data to deliver a smart 5-dimensional of comfort home, constant temperature, humidity, oxygen, quietness, and cleanliness, exceeding even the WHO's benchmarks for healthy homes and pioneering a new era of smart, healthy living. The SFDC Dream House System leverages cutting-edge technology to adapt to environmental changes and user preferences, offering low-energy, fully controllable indoor climate solutions tailored for personalized eco-friendly habitats. Gearea boasts a comprehensive quality standard and service system, implementing a standardized installation and debugging process with rigorous oversight across all aspects to ensure superior quality. The SFDC technology not only demonstrates Gearea's industry-leading innovation capability, but also signifies Gearea's fresh and highly competitive core strengths in the realm of smart living. Gearea is dedicated to cultivating green, energy-efficient, healthy, comfortable, and intelligent living environments, extensively promoting and applying the concept of intelligent healthy living, thereby pioneering new trends in human habitation. Our enduring mission and responsibilities are to enable humans to live on a sustainable green earth. Relying on its technological advantages and product quality, Gearea has served numerous key projects and achieved offline network coverage through Gearea Smart Living Experience Stores. Committed to empowering industrial production and residential life with technology. As a pioneer in smart high-precision indoor climate control, Gearea continues to pursue its corporate philosophy of illuminate smart living through technology, collaboratively creating a better homeland. Guided by the ever-growing aspirations of people for a more fulfilling life, endeavoring to foster a healthy, intelligent, and sustainable urban environment. Shaping smart cities together. Tech for better homeland.